Hello, welcome back to another Photoshop video. This one I want to look at changing this lamppost and giving it like a called a gold effect, right? So the way we're going to do that is we're going to go to layer and then layer style. You may recognize this from After Effects as well. And we get this pretty large box, right, of things that we can do to it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go to bevel and emboss. And we can see the direction here of the inner bevel. You can choose different, but I'm going to increase the direction, increase the size of that. And you can see it updating in real time, right? So we'll put that pretty about 84 pixels. Why not? And then now that we've got a little bit of gloss on it, we can go to the gloss contour and contour that. I find the best ones are probably this one, but for this one, this actually is not bad. That's not terrible either. That's like a step sort of function, isn't it? Let's try using that one actually. I haven't tried that one before, but actually now thinking about what happens next, it might actually be, we're going to go to contour here. And what you can do with this is, if you notice, if we change the range here, at 0 it goes all the way to the halfway point. So you can see that like makes it like almost like a symmetrical shape at 0 there. Try a little bit here. I kind of like that, maybe a little bit further. All right. And then what we can do is, once you've got the essential design that you want, you go to the color overlay. So I said I wanted to do it like gold, right? So what I can actually do here, I've got this tab, and here's a gold medal. So I've actually got this program here called Power Toys. And what it actually does, this program, is you basically do this thing called color picker by just, I'll show you what it does. So say I wanted to get this gold medal here, right? I just press the button. Doesn't really matter for this, and you can see it will tell me what it is. So I can choose what color of gold I want, and probably like a kind of like a brighter gold. This is kind of useful because it kind of like, even if you get the wrong color, so say we choose that one, right? I'll just copy the value over and jump back into Photoshop. And then we go to color overlay, we'll choose our color, paste that one in the box. It gives you like a ballpark sort of area, like, so you sort of know what color you're actually looking for the gold. So, you know, I could go a little bit somewhere else, right? But it's gonna be essentially what gold does actually look like in like real life. So yes, I'm pretty happy with that. There you go. And there's a bigger variant of it. It definitely looks better. So yeah, so that's what it looked like before. This is what it looks like now. Definitely looks better, I think. So that is one way that you could make a gold object. So thanks for watching.